Hello friends, my name is Gaurav. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve array related problems provided by Leetcode. If you haven't watched my old videos related to array, it's recommended to check those videos. The link is in the description. So let's start the today video. Remove element. Given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all occurrence of val in nums in place. The order of the elements may be changed. Then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. Consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k element of nums contain the elements which are not equal to val. The remaining elements of nums are not important as well as the size of nums. Return k. So if we see the example, input nums this where val is equal to 3, the output should be 2 and the number should be 2 2 and the underscore is not matter. So your function should return k is equal to 2 with the first two elements of nums being 2. It does not matter what you leave beyond the return k. So hence they are underscored. So let's see how we are going to solve this problem in C#. We already have a function called remove element. We are going to continue with this function. So in the first step, we are going to initialize a variable k to 0. This will be used to keep track of the count to elements not equal to val. Now we are going to iterate through the array nums, and for each element in nums, we are going to check if it is equal to val. If not, we are going to move the element to the position of the k and increment the k. So for this, we are going to use for loop. Now if we're going to check if the current element is not equal to val, if nums of I is not equal to val, we are going to move the current element to the position of the count k. So nums of k is equal to nums of I and k plus plus. After the loop, the first k elements of the nums are now contain the elements that are not equal to val. The remaining elements after index k are not important. So we are going to return the value k as the count of the elements are not equal to val. So let's run this code and see if it's working fine. So your answer is 2 2 and our expected answer is 2 2. So it works. We can write the custom test cases if you want. We are going to use this one. Let's copy and paste it here with the value called 2 and run the code again. So our answer is 01304. Expected answer is 01403, which is fine because in this case, if you read this question, the order of the elements may be changed. So it's perfectly fine. Please try to solve this problem in any other language like C++ or JavaScript, which is supported by Leetcode. Or if you have any other better solution to solve this problem, please enter your code in comment section and I will definitely check and give my heart if the code works perfectly. I hope you enjoy this video and I will see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed the video, please do like the video and share with your friends. For more interesting videos, please do subscribe the channel.